What's up? Good morning, everyone that's just joining. If I take a trade, you all know it. Let's do 2025 right. No nonsense. Unless it's messing with Brandon about the BSI, then that's allowed. What's up, YouTube? How's everyone? I feel like I haven't seen you all since last year. It's right on point with the dad joke. See if we can't get a nice trade in today. Yes, it is. 2025 is going to be the best year yet trading together. We might get our bounce area on NQ. I hope so. How was everyone's New Year on YouTube? What'd you all get into while we're waiting on the setup? Also, all my Grizzology subscribers, help me watch ES, Spy, and QQQ. We're approaching a QQQ bounce area, everyone. I'm watching it. 511.2 where the zone starts. The bottom of the zone is at 510.2. If we break below 510.2, trade's invalid. We're now in this zone on QQQ. I'll let you all know if I take. I'll be taking NQ longs if I take a trade here. I'll let you all know. The jobless claims already happened, Terry. It's pre-market data. 8:30 a.m. Eastern when jobless claims drops. The only thing we have left for today is construction spending at 10 a.m. Well. Okay, we lost the zone on QQQ, so that zone is invalid for me. But we still have NQ zones below, so I'll let you all know. We can pull back to that previous day close area. I would give NQ shorts a go. No, I'm not in a trade. No positions. We have to push up quite a bit for me to take a short entry. Yeah, they do, D. That move happened so quick. I was gonna call an entry there, but just pushed up and sold off so quickly it would have been chasing. Previous day close was at 21,234 on NQ. Yeah, I like that spy bounce area that you're talking about. We might get higher, a lower high entry up here around pre-market low. If we can push up a little more. Welcome in everyone on YouTube. Missed a scalp, it happened too quick, but I think we'll get a better entry on a possible downtrend somewhere in this area here if we can get confirmation. But Grizzology will show us. Yeah, I would say for the most part Arthur, but I like the 5-minute time frame up to the hourly. Just depends the setup, you know. Look at the delta on this, everyone. Yeah, you can't see it. It's at the bottom corner of the screen on Grizzology. It's aggressive buying here, very aggressive. Very, very aggressive buying. This is the area we have to confirm for short entries on NQ. I'll let you all know if it confirms for shorts. Nice. Trading NQ, ES, whichever confirms. Yes, I am Joseph. We got this zone to look forward to now. Alright, everyone, we'll catch a trade. If not, we'll come back tomorrow and wait on another one. At least we're building good habits, discipline, not forcing trades, being patient, waiting on right setups. What it's about, building good habits. We're still close to zones. I like to set up above it just as good as I do the bounce area. Same, I'm enjoying my coffee right now. The 940 candle. You probably have your zones set up differently. Or wait, are you looking at NQ1 or are you looking at a different NQ? I just drink regular old coffee. I mix up the brands occasionally, but nothing crazy. That's awesome. So and I'm just watching right now. The only zone I have now is right above that pre-market high on NQ. We missed my bounce area on NQ zone by about like 6 points. This is traded. I don't trade on my trading view. I just watch the charts. Tradovate I have up NQH. I like watching NQ1 on trading view. No, I need to update my levels more, but the ones we had last week are still in play, Honda. Data's dropping, everyone. Construction spending. Trevor, you might have to exit out, back in. I'm not for sure. Remember, still a short week. I know it's the first day, trading day of the new year, but we gotta be patient. What sucks is now next week's a short week as well because Jimmy Carter's funeral on Thursday, I believe, the 9th. But I'm gonna trade full size next week. Normal size. Been trading light, short weeks. I was asleep by 9 p.m. on New Year's Eve. I just don't have no desire to go out anymore. I don't know. Like go out and drink and stuff. I guess you just lose it at some point. I'm gonna attempt 3 to 5. Well, 3 was my size last year, but 3 to 5 is gonna be my size this year on NQ. Normal weeks. There you go. Still watching for a setup, everyone. Team Bull, I'll let y'all know. I'll be around for a minute this morning. Five B max, Joseph. Yeah, I'm looking at SPY in front of me. I'm looking at IWM right now in front of me. I just got so much going on my screens. I got Team Boy to the left of me, Zoom. I got you all watching this one monitor, and I got my monitor in front of me. So the one in front of me, I switch back and forth. It's not for me. Position size that big is not for me. Drop any questions you have, YouTube, in the chat. I'll do my best to answer them. We got a little time here. Still got to climb up a bit more before we can get to any possible trade areas. Yeah, for real. That's the worst thing, Trader Chick. I think we've all been there. How do I be patient? I just follow my plan. You all see it. You all see how I manage my trades. I just wait on my zones. That's what it's all about. If you got enough patience to wait on your zones and wait on confirmation, just set your stop loss and your price targets. Let it ride. What color is my corgi? It is black and white. It's awesome, Tyler. I took one scalp, and it was a trade I was talking about to you all earlier. A pre-market low reject. Sorry, previous day close reject. It was like an instant 20 points. I didn't even have time to adjust my stop loss to let it run anymore. It just hit 20 instantly. It's a very small day. I mean, nothing crazy. I made like 400 and something off that, I believe. Three screens. Do I find trading prop firms is harder? So my experience with prop firms, I've had payouts, right? I'm not the master of prop firms, but I've made tens of thousands. Wait, how much have I made? I'd have to look. My biggest payout was 40, but the thing about prop firms, I get burnt out on them after a while. You know, like if I make a mistake, I'm like, okay, I'm ready to trade my real money again. But there's nothing wrong with them. Uh, they're great, especially to build your own capital to fund your own account, or if you just want to trade them forever. Nothing wrong with that. It's just, I think it does, I think it does require more patience just because, you know, you got to go through the process of reaching that payout. Did anybody see the delta on that previous candle? I missed it. I still like funded accounts. Mostly trade my own personal account now, but nothing wrong with trading them. Just be sure, you know, trade one you're not going to get ripped off with. FFF is the one I recommend right now. You can use code Grizzly. I think they have a sale going on. Do I have a max dollar loss per day? No, typically two. Sometimes one losing trade, I'm like, okay, I'm done. But typically two trades are losing. I just call it a day. Not every day the market respects technicals, you know. Some days it just has a mind of its own. I know when I first get into a trade, my automatic stop loss on NQ is 30 points until I adjust it. I'm gonna try to, Evan. Have we hit any zones today on it? From what I can tell, the Grizzology seems to be most accurate with the NQ, ES, SPY, and QQQ. I wish I knew how to backtest Grizzology and add in common sense with it, right? You just can't do it. Not that I know of. Not for sure about that one. Kelly, you have to reach out to them on their platform. And if you can't get a hold of no one that continues, DM me on Instagram, and I'll see if I can't get in contact with them for you. It's awesome, Daniel. What's up, Team Boy? How's everyone? Still waiting. You all see any setups you like? The buyers are losing momentum here. Hopefully it doesn't reject here. I'd like it to push on up before we reject. Some less aggressive buying here. That's right, Jonathan. We're going to build some good habits this year together. That's what I thought. I'm in some NQ shorts. If we we can lose this VWAP, we should see a nice move down. Pre-market low would be a nice price target. Trimmed. I trimmed. Trimmed the NQ shorts, everyone. Stop loss at entry. We lose this 21,300, we're going to see a massive move. Trades like this make me wish I was trading full size. There we go, everyone. Second trim, I have one runner. That's it. It's unfortunate, but that's all I have. Stop loss is 20 points in profit. Is anybody making money with me on this trade? I gotta know. Took some patience, but we had a sniper entry. That's how we do it. Jesus, what a trade. It's going to be a 100-point trade. Keep going. Keep going down. That's what we want, Gray. Oh my goodness. Nasty trade to start the year. $100-point trade. 100-point trade, everyone. I'm not gonna lie, I closed out my runners on that. Trade's over for me. If you took full size position, let it run. I told you all, I mean it. 2025 is gonna be our year trading together. No nonsense. Gonna be focused in. If you're taking unnecessary losses, it's not gonna be with me. We still got some nice zones too, so definitely watch them. But be sure you post your gains in Team Bull, everyone. Tag me. I want to see some nice gains on the first trading day of the year. They don't have to be nice. I mean, if you made money with me, post it, tag me. Yes, you can, Sergio. I would say a 100-point trade, even if you do sell at 100 points. I don't think that's paper handing. Do you all? I think we all can agree. Even if it does move more, still a massive trade. Yeah, I think I'm going to call it here. The first trading day of the year is going to be a nice green one. So I got to make my daughter some breakfast too. So you don't want them daughters hangry. Great job, everyone. Admin elites on the trades. It's a life lesson for you all young men on YouTube. You gotta keep the girls supplied with carbs, or you're gonna have your hands full. But I'm gonna call it a morning. I'll see you all in the morning live trading on YouTube. I appreciate you all for being here. If you haven't got Grizzology, go right now to grizzlytrades.com. Get Grizzology on your screen, like you see here. Catch you all in the morning.